Okay, River, you ready to open?
Thanks. Sharing with Wolfie. Thanks. Thanks. Oh, River.
Don't throw it on Wolfgang. What is it? What'd you get?
Choo-choo train.
Yeah! Choo-choo train.
Okay. Hold it.
Alright, let's open it. Here you go. Let's tip it out. Here you go, Wolfie.
Now we're doing Wolfie's one.
Oh,
This is Wolfie's one.
this one's for baby Wolfie. I'm helping him because he can't do it yet. You want to show him what he's got? Here you go, River.
Can you help with Wolfgang's present?
Cute.
I have.
Thank you. Ooh. River, do you want to show it to Wolfgang?
That's Wolfgang's present.
You want to show it to Wolfie?
A choo-choo.
You want to get your choo-choos out?
A choo-choo. No. Oh, no.
That one's for Wolfie.
No.
And this one's for River. Oh, look at these cool choo-choo cars. Oh, a little guy. Here's a little guy in a choo-choo car.
Here's the guy, sweetie.
Here's the choo-choo. Oh, here's the engine.
And choo.